Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe ideas, tips which you can work with at home, guys. Anyway, today we want to make you a cheesy bacon with egg and bagels. Really fantastic, guys. You know what I mean? You don't have to put cheese, you know what I mean, but the reason why it named cheesy bacon because of cheese. Alright? You can have it for breakfast in the morning, and also remember, subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you so much to tune in to my show. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Thank you. Lovely and nice. Welcome back this morning in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. We're going to make you a breakfast recipe. I got 2 slices of bacon and we got 2 eggs. We got some bagels over there. We got some cheese and a lot more stuff which we're going to be using so far as we goes along. And I'm going to show you can make yourself a breakfast, or if you want to eat it lunchtime, it's fine, you know what I mean, like a brunch, so that's good to go. Enjoy the tips, ideas and recipe from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much. Nice. So right here, medium sized frying pan on the stove. Pinch of oil, not too much. So what you want to do, you want to put those 2 lovely slices of bacon. And you're going to fry them off first thing, alright? Nice one. So right here, guys, this is finished. That's the last egg. Take it out, turn off the stove, make your pan cool down, and then you put water into it and wash it. Lovely. Look at part 2 now. Nice. So this is it right here. Bacon and some bacon. You don't have to put cheese, but that's the way how they serve it in the shop. Alright? The next thing, just place it in the oven for about 4 to 5 seconds. 4 minutes the least inside of the oven, and get the cheese melt off. Then you can serve it with some tomato and cucumber and a little salad at the side. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Lovely and nice, guys. As you can see exactly what I'm talking about right here, and honestly it's just fantastic and amazing. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Just take it from back from the oven, let the cheese melt off a little bit on it. Come really nice and lovely. Enjoy. Thank you so much for tuning in. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. See you next time. Bye bye.